Hi, today we are going to discuss about is English changing? We all know English is a popular language, so before we talk about English change, let's see our languages around the world changing. Yes, absolutely. Language is always changing, evolving and adapting to the needs of its users. This isn't a bad thing. If English hadn't changed since, say, 1950, we wouldn't have words to refer to modems, fax machines, or cable TV. As long as the needs of language users continue to change, so will the language. The change is so slow that from year to year we hardly notice it, except to grumble every so often about the poor English being used by the younger generation. But reading Shakespeare's writing from the 16th century can be difficult. If you go back a couple more centuries, Chaucer's Canterbury Tales are very tough sledding. If you went back another 500 years to try to read Beowulf, it would be like reading a different language. So, why does language change? First, it changes because the needs of its speaker change. New technologies, new products, and new experiences require new words to refer to them clearly and efficiently. Consider the fax machine. Originally, it was called a facsimile machine because it allowed one person to send another a copy or facsimile of a document. As the machines became more common, people began using the shorter form fax to refer to both the machine and the document. From there, it was just a short step to using the word fax as a verb. Second, no two people have had exactly the same language experience. A slightly different set of words and constructions, depending on our age, job, education level, region of the country, and so on. We pick up new words and phrases from all the different people we talk with, and these combine to make something new and unlike any other person's particular way of speaking. At the same time, various groups in society use languages as a way of marking their group identity, showing who is and isn't a member of the group. Many of the changes that occur in language begin with teens and young adults. As young people interact with others with their own age, their language grows to include words, phrases, and constructions that are different from those of the older generation. Some have a short lifespan, but others stick around to affect the language as a whole.
There are three ways of language changing. The first one is words. We borrow words from other languages, such as sushi from Japan. We can create words by shortening longer ones. Gym from gymnasium, for instance. We can combine two words to one word. Breakfast and lunch are combined to brunch. We can make them out of proper names. We are wrong about the analysis of an existing word. For example, 400 years ago, peace, both single and a bunch of, but over time, people assumed that peace was the plural form of P, so we create the verb P. The second one is order. For example, the King James Bible translates Matthew 6:28 as consider the lilies of the field, how they grow, they toil not. In a more recent translation, the last phrase is translated as they do not toil. English no longer places not after the verb in a sentence. The last one is pronunciation. 500 years ago, the vowel in geese sounded like that in face. The vowel in mice sounded like that in peace.